cake is an elegant, simple dessert, popular across Europe. It's great for breakfast or after dinner with a little coffee or tea. I'm going to show you my version of this European classic with some cranberries and a little orange zest. It's an easy, delicious dessert to add to your holidays. Let's get started. First, place a sieve on top of a medium bowl and start adding the almond flour, salt, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, and cloves. Use a whisk to help push the ingredients through the sieve into the bowl. Doing this will help break up any lumps of flour and combine everything evenly. And then set this aside. In a separate bowl, add your sugar, butter, oil, orange zest, and almond extract. Whisk everything until it's all mixed together. Once it's all mixed, go ahead and add your eggs. Keep whisking until the eggs are completely mixed and everything looks nice and smooth. This may take a minute or two. Next, we're going to pour our flour mixture into the sugar mixture. Whisk it until you can't see flour anymore. This batter is thick, so you may need to use a little muscle to mix it completely and have a smooth, lump-free batter. Pour the batter into an 8-inch greased and parchment-lined cake pan. And then add your cranberries and sprinkle them around evenly on top of the batter. You can use fresh or frozen cranberries. The cake will come out the same either way. Sprinkle your sliced almonds on top of the cranberries. And now you're ready to bake your cake. You'll need to bake it for about 60 to 70 minutes. You'll be able to tell when it's done if you poke it with a thin knife or toothpick and it comes out clean with no raw batter on it. When the cake is done baking, let it cool for about an hour. Once it's cool, flip the cake onto a plate. Remove the parchment piece, then flip it back onto a serving plate. You'll probably lose a few almonds, but that's okay, you can just put them back on. Now you're ready to make the icing. In a medium bowl, add your powdered sugar and start whisking and slowly add your milk and then the almond extract. Keep whisking until it's smooth and there are no lumps. With a spoon, drizzle the icing on top of the cake back and forth and side to side. You can garnish with fresh cranberries for an extra pop of color too. I love this cake for how simple and easy it is to make. It can be a great breakfast treat or after dinner dessert that goes perfect with coffee or tea. It's the perfect balance between sweet and tart from the drizzle of icing on top to the pops of tart cranberries, and the orange zest brightens and adds a fresh bite. The toasted almonds on top add delicious crunch and texture. I love to eat this cake with a warm cup of cider and watch my family's favorite holiday movie, Home Alone. I hope you enjoy, and Merry Christmas, you filthy animals.